Imagine stepping into your garden, not onto a muddy path, but onto a neat pathway between lush, thriving plants. This is the beauty of a raised bed garden. Picture a dedicated space, elevated from the ground, where your vegetables, herbs, or flowers flourish in perfect harmony. No more back-breaking, bending raised beds bring your garden closer to you. Instead of planting directly in the ground, you create a contained environment with nutrient-rich soil. This controlled setting gives you the upper hand in nurturing your plants. Whether you dream of juicy tomatoes or colorful zinnias, a raised bed garden provides the perfect stage. Forget battling compacted soil or poor drainage. Raised beds allow for excellent drainage and aeration, promoting healthy root development. This means stronger plants and a more abundant harvest. Plus, the defined edges offer a tidy, organized look to your garden, enhancing its aesthetic appeal. No matter your gardening expertise, raised beds offer a user-friendly approach. They are remarkably versatile, adapting to various spaces, from sprawling backyards to compact balconies. So, whether you're a seasoned gardener or a novice enthusiast, raised bed gardening might be your key to a fruitful and enjoyable experience. Why are raised bed gardens gaining popularity? The answer lies in their numerous benefits. Firstly, they offer unparalleled control over soil quality. Unlike traditional gardening, you choose exactly what goes into your raised bed, ensuring optimal conditions for your plants. Secondly, say goodbye to back pain. The elevated structure of raised beds minimizes bending and makes gardening accessible to everyone, regardless of age or physical limitations. This ergonomic design makes tending to your plants a joy, not a chore. Thirdly, raised beds warm up faster in spring, giving your plants a head start. This is particularly beneficial in cooler climates where the growing season is shorter. Imagine harvesting fresh vegetables earlier than ever before. Finally, these gardens act as a barrier against pesky weeds and hungry pests. The defined edges deter weeds from creeping in, while the elevated structure makes it harder for slugs and other critters to reach your precious plants. This means less time battling unwanted guests and more time enjoying the fruits and vegetables of your labor. Ready to embark on your raised bed gardening adventure? The first step is gathering your tools and materials. Don't worry, you won't need anything overly complicated. Start with untreated lumber, preferably cedar or redwood, known for their durability and natural resistance to rot and insects. Next, you'll need something to secure the corners of your raised bed frame. Heavy-duty screws and corner brackets will provide the necessary stability. Measure your desired bed dimensions and have your lumber cut to size at your local timber yard. This will save you time and effort. A measuring tape, a saw, if you prefer to cut the wood yourself, a drill, and a level are essential for precise construction. To protect your hands, a pair of sturdy gardening gloves is a must. Finally, don't forget safety goggles when using power tools. Now comes the exciting part, choosing your soil. Opt for a high-quality garden soil mix that drains well. Adding compost and other organic matter will further enrich the soil and provide essential nutrients for your plants. With your materials assembled, it's time to build your dream garden bed. Begin by choosing a sunny spot in your garden with easy access to water. Using your measuring tape and string, mark out the dimensions of your raised bed on the ground. Next, assemble the frame by attaching the lumber boards to the corner posts using screws and corner brackets. Ensure the corners are square and secure for optimal stability. Use your level to double-check that the frame is level. This will prevent uneven soil distribution and water runoff. Once the frame is complete, it's time to line the bottom with a layer of cardboard or landscape fabric. This will prevent weeds from growing up into your raised bed and keep the soil inside. Overlap the edges of the cardboard or fabric to create a secure barrier. Now, the fun begins. Start filling your raised bed with the soil mixture. Add layers gradually, gently firming down each layer to avoid air pockets. Aim for a soil depth of at least 12 inches to accommodate the roots of your chosen plants. The heart of any successful garden lies in its soil, and raised beds offer a fantastic opportunity to create the perfect growing medium. Once your raised bed frame is ready, it's time to focus on filling it with a nutrient-rich and well-draining soil mix. Start by sourcing high-quality garden soil from your local garden center. This will provide a good foundation for your plants. However, don't stop there. To truly supercharge your soil, consider adding a blend of organic matter. Compost, aged manure, and leaf mold work wonders in improving soil structure, water retention, and nutrient content. These natural amendments introduce beneficial microorganisms that contribute to a thriving ecosystem within your raised bed. When filling your raised bed, aim for a soil depth of at least 12 inches. This provides ample space for root development, especially for vegetables like tomatoes and carrots that have deeper root systems. As you add the soil mixture, gently firm it down to eliminate air pockets that can hinder root growth.